How are you doing today? It's Benecia Ponder. Hi, welcome. Come on in. It's Benecia Ponder, inspirational speaker, Christian life coach, and I am here on my very first Pass the Cast with the Perry Girls. Woo! So super excited about that. I have my little sign here. Make sure that you follow PeriGirls, www.perigirls.com. Their handle here on Periscope is at PeriGirls. It's an amazing, amazing community. I've actually been a Peri Girl for about 3 weeks now. Yes. But it already feels like family. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Come on in. Come on in. Hey, hey, hey. All right, so our topic today, and I'm supposed to be in the top third of the camera, so the comments don't go over my face. All right, so the topic for the day is to talk about an inspiring woman in our lives. And I have so many women in my lives who are so inspiring to me. I'm just from a family of strong women, men too, but very strong women, and I think they have made me who I am. I know they have made me who I am today. And the person I want to talk to you about is my mom. But before that, let me introduce you to me, because you're like, oh, who are you? What are you talking about? So I'm Benecia Ponder. Like I said, I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia, broadcasting as a part of the Perry Girls. I am an inspirational speaker, coach, and I really help women to move past whatever has them stuck and help them to move into being unstoppable, living lives of power, passion, purpose, and prosperity. So that's a little bit about me. The reason I'm able to do that is because of the amazing, amazing women in my life, most particularly my mom. Yeah, she is so very inspiring to me, just absolutely amazing. My mom was an educator for, hey everybody, welcome, come on in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for all of the lovely hearts. I am here on this Perry Girls Periscope, Pass the Cast. Yes, yes, yes. But I'm talking about my mom here, how she's inspiring to me. And she's so inspiring to me. She was an educator for over 35 years, transitioned to being a media specialist, and now she is in the second part of living, and she is fulfilling her passions as an author, a publisher. I think in like a year and a half, she wrote 6, 7 books, which are absolutely amazing. So she is definitely an inspiration to me. Not just because of what she's done, but just who she is, her strength. About 17 years ago, I I was struck with a pseudo brain tumor that significantly damaged my optic nerves. And at the time, I was 19, turning 20 at the time. I had a newborn baby girl, and my mother was there every single step of the way, and she still is. And my daughter's about to graduate high school in a few weeks. My mom's been there every single day, every step of the way. And so that she is the one who inspires me. I know I am being followed by Christine Gleason at Well in This House. Please throw up those emojis, Christine, so everybody can know how to follow you. This whole experience, sharing this with you, I'm hoping that as I share this with you, you think of some women in your life who are inspiring to you, women who are making a difference. Mother's Day is coming up, but even if it's not your biological mother, there are women in your life who have inspired you. And if they haven't, you pay it forward. You be the inspiration. There are tons and tons of girls out there who need that, who need inspiring. And so I'm challenging you and encouraging you to do that, because I am who I am today because of my mother, because of my grandmothers, my father, and godparents and all that as well. But the strong women in my life have served as examples and have served as role models for me. I am so excited about everyone who's coming in. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome to all of you. And so this has been such an amazing, amazing experience here with this whole Pastor Cast. I'm going to show you again perigirls.com. perigirls.com, www.perigirls.com. At PeriGirls is the handle here on Periscope. Make sure that you follow them. And I think my time is up. Yes, yes, yes. The next person, Christine Gleason, is on her way. I'm going to hop over there and view her. So, bye-bye.